Okay, for the next video here, we're going to get into customizing the workspace. Something MODO has kind of been all about since the early days. Depending on what version of MODO, you're going to have different tabs up here. And so you've got Paint, Sculpt. You can jump back into Modeling and then go over to UVs, set up your scene. Setup has to do with, well, you can do a lot of things. It has particles, your dynamics, rigging, etc. The preview render in MODO is excellent, usually quite fast, and you can also use it for final renders. It's very good quality. So we are going to set up, this is a custom tab that I created just for a quick little project, but to set up a new tab, we're going to hit the plus sign. I'm going to go to, let's go to UV texture view, and actually, I apologize, let's right click on that and go to 3D edit, UV single. Now these toolbars are over here because I had previously set them up here and MODO remembered, so I'm going to delete these. You can just kind of ignore this part. Okay, so this is what you should see. I am going to go to this orange button, right click, split horizontal to give us a vertical line here. Now in MODO 801 there's this triangle. In previous versions of MODO you might have to go up here. There'll be a tiny orange triangle that you right click on, but it is there. And let's go to Toolbars, Vertex mapping. But I want to be able to see my different options. So if I wanted to create a new UV map or UV projection, so I'm going to go up to this corner, right click, split vertical, and then right click down here. There's that small triangle I talked about. Properties, tool properties. So if I click on a tool, I get all my different options. And so that is a quick and easy way to customize the workspace. You can right click here. You can save viewport, save group, split it. Let's split it. For instance, if we want to do, let's say we don't need all that screen space for UVing, we can put a different view here. Let's see, some good ones. Perspective. Sometimes if you click something like that, you'll get a error because you can't, put necessarily a render try or a certain viewport into a certain panel. So that's all that is. Not a big deal. We'll also get into some more customizing in next videos, as well as how to deal with config files, say when, if you get errors or crashes or something like that.